Hello, I'm Thomas from Special Event Sales, and today I want to show you the difference between folding chairs. On the onset, both these chairs look very similar, but they are from different factories, and the biggest difference between these two chairs is the quality of the steel. Now, I've been selling chairs for 27 years, and I've developed a very quick test for telling the quality of a chair, and that is by just the weight. So we're going to start here with the original Samsonite quality 2250 series chairs. These chairs use anneal steel tubing. So they're going to be, it's a stronger steel that will bounce back when it flexes. And it's lighter than the cheaper Chinese steel products. So we're going to weigh this chair, put it on the scales here, and you're going to see it's about 6.25 pounds. And that's a very quick way of knowing the quality of the chair. If it's about 6 pounds or a little over, it's a good quality chair. So we're going to take the cheaper Chinese chair here, and looks very similar, but when we put it on the scales, we can see that it's 7.25 pounds. And what this means is they're using an inferior steel product, so they have to go a little bit thicker to get the strength, but it's actually weaker than the lighter chair. So we're going to demonstrate that shortly in our chair testing machine. Another thing to look at in these chairs is the seat. Our SES chair has got more rounded corners on the front of the seat. These are more square, sharper edges, less comfortable for the back of your thigh when you're sitting on these chairs. Good enough. This is our chair testing machine. This machine uses a weight and will repetitively load the chair. This simulates someone sitting on the chair rather than a static load being applied to the chair. Many people will claim that their chair holds 500-600 pounds, but what they do is they slowly pile up weights on the seat of the chair, and that does not accurately represent how a chair gets used. And I'll give you a demo here. Just when I sit on this chair here, you can tell the point at which I hit the chair is applying a drop load to the chair, and that's what we want to do with this machine. This weight here is 160 kilos, which is about 250 pounds approximately. And we will repeatedly test both these chairs and see which one performs better. We'll set up the initial test here for 100 drops per chair. If a chair fails during that test, the machine will stop. And we'll let you know how they both do. And now I'm going to set up the machine. Okay, so we're going to load up the machine here. I'm going to lift the weight, put in the chair, and let the weight down. So now the weight is resting on the chair. You'll notice that I have the front legs locked in position. The back leg is not, because when these chairs are used on a smooth surface like a concrete or a tiled floor, when you sit down on it, that back leg is going to move in and out. It's going to slide. Less so on carpet, but we want to give an accurate test here. So we're just going to start the machine and see how this chair does with 100 drops. So here we go. You can already see the leg is bending, the main leg. We're going to take the machine, let's see. So this chair has been subjected to 100 drops of 350 pounds, 160 kilos. And when we look at the main leg here, the back leg, you can see at the rivet point here, it is severely bent. This chair at this point has failed. It is not safe for anyone to sit on this chair. So we'll fold it up if we can. And you can see here how twisted the chair is. So we're going to now take the special event sales chair and subject it to the same test. So here we are, we're going to put it in, electromagnet on, lift the chair. Okay. So now we're ready to start testing the SES chair. So we'll set for 0 counts right now. It's going to go up to 100 counts, and then we're going to see how this performs. Here we go. So now we're going to remove the SES chair and check it to see if it's deformed. So we look down the chair length here, still straight, both sides, folds fine, no issues. But when we compare it to the cheaper Chinese chair, you can see the difference. There's a huge difference in strength with the SES chair. It's 1 pound lighter, so when you're handling these in stacks of 50, much easier to handle. And also, it's going to withstand the loads that you need for the event rental business or for repetitive use. Thank you.